मोपा आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळार कार्गो हब करपा खातीर जाळवंडारा कडेन खंय उलोवप चल्ला.
In Goa airport, which is going to come up in Mopa, every job in Mopa airport is reserved for the Goans. All the chief secretary, I think the chief minister, the ministers have made a statement on the floor of the assembly. This is a part of the agreement. So this is not something which we are saying out of this. This is a reality which is going to happen.
गोंय खंय ग्लोबल हब ऑफ आयडियाज जावंक शकता.
That is today we have launched the policy. Also the schemes as well as the entire ecosystem that should be revolved around it. And therefore I am very happy that Goa will be in reality will be the future hub of startups in India. And in fact, we already decided and we are working on it. We will arrange every year an event in Goa, global event in Goa, which will be a global startup event in Goa. And we will make a beginning of that soon. I already put Invest India team on job and they are the ones who are working on it, and therefore they will actually prepare a plan how to make it along with the Goa government. I am definitely confident that Goa will be the next destination for making it as a hub of global ideas that will be born here, will be cultivated here, and then they will be finally be accelerated here.
गोंयांक देशाची आयटी कॅपिटल करपाक सरकारचे यत्न चल्ल्यात आनी ते दिशेन पॉलिसी करपाक पावलाय उखल्ल्यात म्हूण आयटी मंत्री रोहन खंवटे उलयलो.
Influencing factors of the economic growth are logistics, and these strong drivers can give us a strong push to allow the thoughts of the government to be a reality. We have a lovely work and life balance. The connect within the cities is amazing. And this is not to compare ourselves with the other states, but we would say, we would call ourselves a preferred destination. We would attract investments by default because it is Goa. So I was just thinking Goa. So it says G for golden, O for opportunities and A for available. So it's golden opportunities available.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार वांगडा व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओंकार फळारी आणि तुकाराम मराठे.